A tough legal battle for Israel at the International Court of Justice. Its lawyers are attempting to dismiss South African claims Tel Aviv is committing genocide against Palestinians, saying its military is instead acting in self-defense. But the war cabinet of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is feeling the pressure, and international calls for an immediate end to Israel's bombardment of Gaza are on the rise.
The State of Israel will appear before the International Court of Justice at The Hague to dispel South Africa's absurd blood libel.
South Africa is Israel's biggest trading partner on the African continent. But its governing party, the African National Congress, ANC, continues to criticize Israel's occupation of Palestinian territory. In November, South Africa recalled its diplomats from Israel and has since become its staunchest critic.
We think that there is a textbook case of genocide unfolding. We think that the number of people being killed, particularly children, has a significant level of gravity to it, and that in line with ours and Israel's responsibilities as signatories to the Genocide Convention, we have a duty to prevent and punish genocide.
South African lawyers believe they have a strong case at the UN's highest court. They say Israel is either committing genocide or failing to prevent it. The case may drag on for months or years.
Although it will be asked here to investigate the crime of genocide, it's not going to come up with criminal consequences. It's going to come up with consequences such as reparations, apologies, the sorts of things you would expect in a civil case.
Although criminal prosecutions are not expected, South Africa's lawyers hope the ICJ will act quickly because of the extreme and urgent plight of Palestinians in Gaza and order Israel to stop war and allow in aid. Such an order carries weight at the UN, and they hope that will create more pressure among the international community to force Israel into ending its military campaign. After more than 3 months of relentless bombardment and slaughter, many people say they've lost their faith in international institutions. But many countries are supporting South Africa and is hoping this legal case could succeed where politicians have so far failed. Hashim Al-Barra, Al Jazeera.